All right, so let's talk about adding and subtracting fractions when they have the same denominator. So if I have something like 1/3 plus 2/3, if these denominators are the same, that means I can add straight across and this stays the same. So 3/3 would equal a whole, right? Let's say it is subtracting fractions and I have 5/6 minus 2/6. Well, if the denominator is the same, I bring that straight over and I can subtract across the top. 5 minus 2 is 3. My answer would be 3/6. So as long as my denominator is the same for adding and subtracting fractions, I can just work right across the top. Now let's talk about if it's a mixed number. So let's say I have something like 8 and 2/5 plus 10 and 1/5. Well, let's talk about what we notice here. We still notice that what? The denominators are the same, which is great because remember, if the denominators are the same, you can add straight across and you can do that here too. Let's add our whole numbers, our 8 and our 10. Well, 10 plus 8 is 18. Okay, so that's done. Let's add across the top. 2 plus 1 is 3. And remember, when that denominator is the same, I can bring it right over. So I get 18 and 3/5. So as long as the denominator is the same, you are free to just add or subtract straight across, even if you have a whole number here first. Let's look at one that is a subtraction problem. So let's say we have 7 and 4/6 minus 3 and 1/6. Okay, if you notice again, what is the same in these? And you'd be right. The denominator is the same, 6 and 6. That means I can work my way across, paying attention to this sign. This is a subtraction sign. So if I have 7 and I take 3 away, that leaves me with the whole number of 4. 7 minus 3 is 4. Then I do 4 minus 1 is 3, and I just bring it over. So I would get 4 and 3/6. Okay.